Now XNOR gate. So output of XOR gate was A exclusive B. This is actually XOR gate, right? So now it's time for XNOR. Indeed, we have to use N for not, and not means a bubble, or not means over a bar. So A exclusive B whole bar. It can be present as A exclusive B over a bar. Indeed, we also can write down for this A B is equals to A bar and B bar. Now it's time to draw the truth table. So input A and B as here two inputs. Indeed 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. As we have A bar and B bar, so we have to write down A bar and B bar as well. So this will be 1, 1, 0, 0. Opposite of 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now it's need to be write down 1 and then 0, 1 and 0. Now we have to find the value of AB. So A B, AB means 0 dot 0, 0 dot 1, 1 dot 0, 1 dot 1. So 0 dot 0 0, 0 dot 1 0, 1 dot 0 0 and 1 1 will be 1. Now A bar B bar. So A bar and B bar. So 1 dot 1 1, 1 dot 0 0, 0 dot 1 0, 0 dot 0 0. Now the output, the final output of two inputs XNOR gate. So it will be A exclusive B whole bar. It means this portion and this portion need to be sum up, right? So 0 dot 1, I mean 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. So the final output will be 1 0 0 1 for 4 case. The very first case, when input is 0 0, indeed 1, and when we have 4 case, number 4 case 1 and 1, it means both input are high, indeed we'll have 1. Rest of 2, it means case number 2 and case number 4, where A and B 0 and 1, 1 and 0. In that case, we have 0 and 0. Now it's time to draw the equivalent circuit of XOR gate. So now it's time to draw the equivalent circuit for XOR gate. So there will be two lines. So line number A, another will be B, and of course, as we have got A bar and B bar, indeed we have to have NOT gate as well. So this is A naught and as well as B naught. So if it is A, here we'll have A naught, as this is B. So the output here will be B naught. Okay. Now let's extend this one. So this will be, let's change the color. This is green and the knot as well green. Okay. Now we have actually two AND gate because of AB and A bar, B bar. So for AB, we have to have a AND gate. So this is one AND gate. It need to be connected with A. So from A and connected from B. So the output will be A and B. We need another AND gate for A bar, B bar. So it need to be connected from A bar and B bar, right? And A exclusive B whole bar represents AB, A bar, B, right? So these two need to be added by a OR gate. So let's draw a OR gate. So this is our final output Q is equals to AB plus A bar and B bar. So it's connected with AB and this one will be connected with this one. So this is the equivalent circuit for XNOR gate. So these are the switches. Okay, so this is switch A and this is switch B. So A and B here as well, A and B, A and B. Now it's time to redraw more three circuits same as this one, so we could precisely explain the four cases here. Actually four case number 1, so 0 0 will have output 1, and case number 4 1 1 we have 1, and case number 2 and 3 there won't have any result, it means output 0. So let's draw more three diagrams same as this one, so we could explain more in details. So for first case, let's explain the very first case. So A and B is 0, and here A and B is 0, so this is 0 and this is 0. Now here 0 mean 1 and 1, so this one is 0 and this is 0. The very first case number 1, so for case number 1, input 0 0, output will be 1. Let's try this one, right? So A is 0 and B is 0, so this will be 0, and here A is 0 means 1 and B is 0, so B to the power prime, it means it is 1, so 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, so output is 1, right? So A equals to 0 and B equals to 0, and here the another one is A bar and B bar. So A bar is equals to 1 and B bar is equals to 1. It means this is connected and this is connected as well, but these two are open. Indeed, the current will flow from the potential source or power source or voltage source here. It will go through this direction, then light, and as it is closed circuit, so this cycle has completed. It means the output will be 1. So the first condition is satisfied. Now case number 2. So case number 2, 0 1, so A 0 and B is 1, so here it will be 1 for case number 2, and A is 0 means it is 1, and this is B means 1, so it will be 0. So pardon, this will be 0 plus 0, so it will be 0. So for case number 2, let's try this figure. So this is case number 2. So A is 0, it means it is open, and B is 1, so this is connected, and then A bar means this is A bar, that is connected, and B bar is open. So the current flow will be from here to here, then here, then it will come back to done the closed circuit. As a result, there will be no current flow through the bulb. As a result, the output is 0. So it is also justified, case number 2. Now case number 3. Case number 3, same as case number 2. So 1 0, output will be 0 as well. So let's consider this is case number 3. So 1, I mean this is actually opposite. So let's try, this is 1 for A and B is 0. So A dot 0 is equals to 0, and here A is 1, it means this will be 0, and B is 1. So 0 dot 1 is 0, so this will be 0 as well. So A is 1, so let's connect this one. B is 0, so it is open, and A bar is open, but B bar is 1, so this is connected. Now the flow of current will be, it is circulated through this direction. So this is a complete circuit, so the current will flow through this loop, so there will be no current flow through the bulb. As a result, this will be 0. Now case number 4. So case number 4, 1 and 1. So case number 4, 1 and 1. So A1, B1, and A bar is 0 dot 0. So the output will be 1, right? So A is 1 and B is equals to 1 as well, and A bar and B bar is 0 0 0. It means this is connected and this is connected, but these two are open. As a result, the flow of current is flow through this direction, so from the positive to, it can't go through these two switches because of this is open. As a result, the current will flow through this direction. As a result, the bulb will blinking, so output is 1. So case number 4 is justified. Hope you understand. If there are any question, please ask me through comments. I'll answer as soon as possible. Thank you. So it's time to draw the circuit diagram of XNOR gate. So output of XOR gate is A, exclusive B. So XNOR gate means opposite, so top of the bar need to be placed, and the output of XNOR is equals to AB plus A bar B bar. This is the output, right? Now it's time to draw the electric circuit for XNOR gate. Indeed, of course, we have a potential source or voltage source, and to check the output we have to have a light to investigate the cases, and here we have got actually 4 cases. I'll explain. So now it's time to draw the switches